我们今天是来龟山国中，然后今天是刚好惠而浦他们有捐赠那个洗衣机给我们郭泓志运动发展协会，所以我们就帮忙找学校，然后找有需要帮助的，然后就刚好龟山国中这边的棒球队刚好也有透过一些朋友介绍，然后就今天来这边捐赠洗衣机给他们，然后谢谢惠而浦支持我们运动发展协会，好不好？我们持续做善良的人。 Hey, hi. Hello. Hi. Thank you for your donation. Thank you. 就是谢谢他这次来捐助这个。
Yeah, thank you for coming.
No, it's a pleasure.
因为我们跑其实蛮多学校，他们都还蛮需要一些资源。
Hi.
请进。我以前很不喜欢进到校长室，因为进到校长室就是被骂。 是哦，
是哈，
漂亮 ，Thank you。你看，我们以前就是球队都要用这个，先把那个脏的裤子先洗完红土，然后才能放洗衣机啊。你知道以前我都是帮人家洗球裤的，因为我年纪最小。Nice, good job. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I'm Arun Menon. I'm the GM for Whirlpool Taiwan and the Southeast Asia markets. I've been with Whirlpool for around 2 years now, and in Taiwan for almost 6 months. I love Taiwan. So I really love Taiwan because one, I've been here before, but living here has been a completely different experience. Taiwan, and we live in Taipei, so Taipei as a city, I feel is a place which really absorbs you as an outsider. And not only me, my wife and my daughter have really settled in well. No, so for us as Whirlpool also, so we have this initiative called W365, where W stands for Whirlpool and 365 is for all-round care. And Whirlpool as an organization cares for people, and as an organization we take up a lot of these kind of social responsibilities where we try and help the underprivileged, people who can't afford a simple lifestyle. We try and reach out to them and help in whatever way we can. So we, as Whirlpool in Taiwan, in 2021 is where we started donating and contributing to the society here in general. So last year we've donated almost 900 chest freezers to the Taiwan Food Bank, and we've reached out to almost 20,000 people through that. We intend to continue that every year. So for this year, this is our first initiative that we're doing, and we are very happy to be a part of this. So I heard the name as a baseball player, but a lot of it I've learned about him in the recent times. The amazing work that he has done for the country, representing the country in a major league, and also being a part of the Asia Cup winning teams, Asian Games winning teams. And I think that is something which is commendable, you know, coming from Tainan, reaching a global platform. And then coming back and contributing to the society. I think 3 things that I tell them, and any set of kids that I meet. One is work hard, play hard, and study hard. You know, so these are 3 things which I tell every kid. It's important to study. It is important to work, but at the same time, it's also important to play as much as you can while you're young and you're able to do it.
全新的洗衣机、烘衣机让我们的生活变得更便利。感谢郭泓志。